Well, if you are wanting to freshen up your look a little bit or fix some of those trouble spots on your body, there are so many minimally invasive ways you can do that. So we have Dr. David Mazurski here to talk about some of those procedures that require no downtime. Doctor, thank you for being with us today.
Thank you so much, Kelly. Nice to be here on National Pancake Day.
Oh, hey, we're glad to have you on National Pancake Day. And you know, just in time for spring and summer, you are here to talk about some ways. Everybody's so body conscious when it comes to swimsuit time, right?
Right. I think that's when people start thinking about getting back into their bathing suits and shorts, and I think this is a very timely time to do this.
And you want to make sure we all look good doing so.
Right. I think everybody should look good.
All right. Well, let's talk about some of the things you guys have going on at your clinic, because I love that it's minimally invasive and you're not going to have to go through a lot of downtime with some of the things we're about to talk about, correct?
Right. Everything we do is done with minimal trauma to the patient. Everybody's awake. Everybody can resume their lives almost immediately.
Fantastic. Well, let's talk about our first thing called the Voluma lift. Tell us what that is.
Well, the Voluma lift is an interesting concept. I mean, basically, here's a picture of a patient of ours that had it. Mm-hmm. And if you look at the picture on the left, she's very tired looking. Her mm-hmm. mouth is drooping down. She has creases underneath her lip corners, mm-hmm. and basically that happens to all of us as time goes by.
Yes,
and by
gravity takes hold.
Gravity and time mm-hmm. takes the volume out of our cheeks and out of our forehead, and that volume gives us curves in our face that we interpret as beautiful.
Okay.
So as time goes by, we lose that. So we use Botox, and we use to strengthen the muscles that act against gravity, mm-hmm. and also we use filler material, which are very common, but we use them in uncommon ways to revolumize the face. So that's what the Voluma lift is, and I think you could see a dramatic difference, yes, especially in that patient.
Very dramatic. And another thing you guys do is something called awake lipo. Tell us about that.
Well, this is a technique of doing liposuction, which can be very dangerous if you go to sleep and have it in massive quantities. Mm-hmm. We use several different methods, and usually a combination of methods.
Okay.
We use body jet, which uses a water spray, kind of like a power sprayer on your sidewalk.
A water spray?
Yeah.
How does that work?
Well, just like if you're going to clean the dirt off your sidewalk, you use this spray of actually anesthetic material. Oh. And it loosens up the fat cells, and then it sucks them out immediately. So we use less anesthesia. We can do it through tiny little incisions in the skin. The patients don't get sedated. They're awake. They're watching a movie or watching TV while we do it.
Nice.
And then they can go home immediately, and in 24 hours they're pain-free.
That is great. I was going to say, this is a medical procedure, so going outside, spraying yourself with the hose will not do the same thing.
No.
But you've seen some very, very great success with this.
Oh yeah, it's been terrific. And we also use lasers to tighten up the skin and facilitate the body jet as well. So it's a combination of things that allows us to do what we do.
The technology is really incredible these days.
Things are happening, and we're really excited about it. And the thing about our clinic, which we're just opening, this is another interesting thing.
This is the Zerona, right?
This is Zerona. Now, I have to point out that the bathing suit is for the sake of modesty here, but these lights have to shine on the skin, mm-hmm. and the Zerona uses low-level lasers to penetrate the skin and cause the fat cells underneath to penetrate.
Now that is dramatic.
That is dramatic.
That's what you call from flab to fab, right there.
That's right. And so this is basically a terrific non-touch technique.
Wow.
That anybody can do.
In your new clinic, rocking and rolling.
Yeah, the new clinic just opened. We're very proud of it. It's beautiful. It's in Stone Oak. We have some special offers, as you can see here.
These are some pretty big special offers, Doctor. Well, $1,000 off any awake lipo procedure.
That's right.
$1,000 for our GDSA viewers, plus 15% off of the Zerona procedure, which is what you just saw.
With the one with the lights.
With the low lasers and discounts.
And then we have significant discounts on Botox and fillers and the Voluma lift. So if
all they have to do is mention Great Day?
All they have to do is mention Great Day, and they get those discounts. So